I'm seeing the strangest thing ever. Do you guys see this? There's smoke or fog that's coming out from this side too. You see over here? That is crazy. I'm gonna see what this is for. Oh look, I can see it here. Where is it coming from? I think it's coming from the battery. It's heating up the car or something? I wonder where the smoke is coming from. I can see it here. You see my fingerprints here, right? You can see that this is warming up this up. Where's the heat coming from? Okay, so it's still charging, 25 minutes left, and right now we have charged up to 297 kilometers. Okay, so it's been 45 minutes and it's charged up to 308 kilometers, and there's still another 100 kilometers left, and it's going to take an additional 20 minutes. So 45 minutes plus 20 minutes, so an hour and 5 minutes for a full charge up to 100%. So that's a long time. So yeah, in the meantime, you know, I just have to wait in the car. So this is what Tesla people do when they're charging their cars at the supercharger. Okay, so there's 10 minutes remaining. It's at 377 kilometers. That's already done. The maximum limit is 409. Let's see how much percent that is. 92%. So we're going to all the way till 100, and it will be done within 10 minutes. So I usually actually end at 98 or 99 because it stops going up and it still keeps charging me money. So what I like to do, this is my trick, I like to look at the kilometers or the miles, how much it's charging, so I know when to stop it, because I've noticed that after like 90 it slows down a lot, and it just doesn't go up, but you still keep getting billed. So instead of putting it on the percentage here, what I would do is I would put it here for the distance, and then I would see how much, if it's going up, if it goes up all, like if it's for example at 400 and you know it's going up, then you can continue letting it charge. But if it doesn't go up, then I would just stop it, and so you don't get paid you don't get charged anymore. Look, I just noticed right now it's like 6:44 p.m. and there's so many more cars coming up at this time. When I was here, there's only one car. So there's 1, 2, I think I saw another one, 3, and then there's one more in the back, 4. So a lot of cars that just came by. So I'm still waiting for this to charge. So 4 minutes ago it said 10 minutes remaining, and now it's 6:47. So at 6:43 it said 10 minutes remaining. It's 6:47, which is 4 minutes after. It still says 10 minutes remaining. So the kilometers are going up, so 387. But if you look at this, the percentage is slowed down now. It was at 92%, it's at 94, so it's really slow now. So that's why I like to keep it here at the kilometers, right? The distance, that really tells me if it's actually going up or not. So right now it's at 387. So I'm going to wait another 10 more minutes, see if it does anything, and then I'm going to decide if it should stay, keep it charging, or just go and leave. So there's another car that came by right here, okay? And I noticed now, like the charging speed really decreased. It's at 92 now. So before it was at like, 400 and something. So now it's really slow, and you see this is not going up as well. So it's taking a lot of time. So I think at 95%, that's it. I'm going to stop here because I don't want to wait here forever. Look at this. It's so low. The number is so low, and it's going to take forever to charge. So yeah, I think I'm just going to leave, and that's it. So this is way too much time to charge the remaining last 5%. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave. Alright guys, so that's how you charge a Tesla. I hope you guys liked this video. I have a lot of videos about Tesla. If you want to know how to drive a Tesla, I actually have a video that's now close to 30,000 views. It's my most watched video. I show how to drive a Tesla within 10 minutes for your first time as a beginner. So make sure to watch that video. And if you have any question about Tesla, the finance part of it, like how much it costs, what are some of the issues, what are some of the things that I like about it, what are some of the things that I don't like about it. I made a lot of videos about them, so make sure to watch all of them. And if you have any more questions, please post them in the chat below, in the comment section below. Let me know what you would like me to cover in these videos so that I can help you, have a better experience driving a Tesla and being a Tesla owner. And yeah, like this video if you guys learned anything, and share it obviously if you have anyone you'd like to share with them, the experience of how to charge this Tesla at the Supercharger. And guys, I'll show you guys more videos on Tesla, about financing, about money. I have a lot of content coming up next year, 2024, so stay tuned. I have some really big cool videos I have planned out. And yeah, it's going to be a big year. It's going to be really fun. And we're definitely, my plan is definitely to grow this channel to a lot more subscribers and a lot more views. We're going to do a lot more fun stuff. So yeah, if you guys like learning about finance, if you guys like having a good time, I'm going to make sure to, just have a lot more fun in 2024, have big plans, big dreams. So I'll bring you guys along with the journey. All right, guys. So until next time, peace.